Have you ever seen a pair of giant stainless steel sunglasses? Well, these ones were in a really bad state, splitting at the seams, like your grandma's been feeding it too much. Luckily, thanks to my trusty lazy welder, I was able to sew this bitch beachside shades up again. But this was a tough one. This thing was greased up and assaulted like it had a spa day from hell. The contamination really fucked me around. That made my welds, well, not so pretty to look at. I didn't know what I was going to do, but then it hit me. It was the best idea I had all day. I had a secret weapon, and it was going to fix all my problems. The grinder. Look, that's him now. My guardian angel, fixing all my fuck-ups. Except the ones I'm likely going to make editing this video. But it's time to get serious. Serious with this beat.